One large school community called City Montessori School, the Guinness Book of World Record holder for being the largest school in terms of number of students enrolled, has shown it is possible to impart education differently without adding to the workload. It does not stop merely at making a child learn it. It educates a child in all the three realities of man, that is, material, human and divine, to become a total quality person. ISC students from all CMS campuses took out a huge Hiroshima and Nagasaki Day Peace March to sensitize governments towards unqualified escalation of nuclear and other weapons of mass destruction, to instead focus on cohesive existence for a peaceful and a better world for the generations to come. The peace rally was led by the founder manager of City Montessori School, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, Chief Operating Officer CMS, Dr. Geeta Gandhi, all the ISC principals of CMS campuses, the teachers of ISC classes and Head of Quality Assurance and Innovation Department of CMS, Mrs. Sushmita Basu. Children dressed in black robes signify that time has come that we have a world parliament for global law and justice.
No more Hiroshima, no more Nagasaki, no more hearts to be broken with swords of greed. Let's pledge together in the presence of God to bring a smile and to help all those in need.
No more, no more! Hiroshima! No more, no more!
We want
Rule of law!
We want
Rule of law! Enforceable international law! We want!
World Peace Gown, designed at CMS, is an extension to a unique World Peace Prayer ceremony in which children pray for peace in every country and continent in the world. The rally depicted a complete CMS model of education that integrates peace education, religion and law and justice.
Nuclear weapons!
No more, no more!
Hiroshima!
Children holding flags of different countries of the world vehemently appeal the world leaders to work for one common cause, and that is the preservation of humanity.
No Holocaust to darken it, no anguish cry of pain. No more this heat, no more this sorrow, my friend. Some happiness we sure can borrow, a prayer to pray.
Great men influence others greatly. Children are seen marching, holding placards of great men with slogans.
Nagasaki, no more hearts to be broken with swords of greed. No more Hiroshima, no more Nagasaki, no more hearts to be broken with swords of greed. Let's pledge together in the presence of God to bring us smile with guns. Or can we think of breaking their hearts in two? Love is something really rare to find. Let's so often know and not be blind, leaving behind a harvest of peace to be reaped. Remember there's a place for everyone.
The rally culminated at the huge big World Unity Convention Center auditorium, where it was addressed by the founder of City Montessori School, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi.
6th of August, Hiroshima was exploded with the atom bomb. And today, that is on 9th of August, Nagasaki was bombed by America. And these two attacks brought about misery not only to the over 3 lakhs of people, but to the whole world. The whole world conscience was shaken. The world started thinking what is going to be our future. Any time a bomb may come and destroy everything. And they formed the United Nations in the hope that there will be unity. But then United Nations has become only a cultural organization having 5 veto powers. But United Nations could not stop the kind of fear that the people started thinking in the heart. The fear is what is going to be the future of mankind. There were 2 bombs, and there were toy bombs, atom bombs, which could kill a very little number of people, only 3 lakhs of people. But now we have 10,000 times, 20,000 times more capacity bombs, and that too nearly 30,000 nuclear bombs. In place of 2 bombs, we have 30,000 nuclear bombs. This is the kind of world we are living in. We could not unite ourselves. Now the time has come to stop nuclear weapons, to stop no more Hiroshima, no more war. If we want, then we have to unite. It is not only by saying, not only by taking out peace marches that we can stop the race of armament. So now the time has come to act. And what is the action? We have to prepare ourselves in such a way. Be ahead of the classes through hard work and true merit. Be the meritorious students and ultimately be on the top position in the world, wherever you are. Be on the top. And from that position, you should gain so much of respect in the society that you call a meeting and inspire the leaders to unite and to form a world parliament and then ultimately a world government, a world court of justice and a world government.
The rally was also addressed by Dr. Geeta Gandhi and senior principals of CMS respectively.
It's an important day for reflecting on why it is that wars happen and what can we do about them. Every individual who's born in this world has a responsibility towards this issue. We cannot say these are issues that concern others. Absolutely every single one of us is a part of the problem and equally also potentially a part of its solution. So it is absolutely relevant to have a think about this topic, and the Hiroshima and Nagasaki Day provides us an opportunity, an opportune moment, a relevant day on which to reflect on this topic.
Jai Jagat children, very good morning to all of you. Children, it's very nice to see you coming today for the march in large numbers. We are very, very happy about it. It's a very important day, children. It's a great learning experience for you and for us also, because peace is the need of the hour. Peace, unity, amity is the need of the hour. And our founder manager, respected Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, always feels that it is children who can only change the world. The children have to become the transforming agent. You have to become a cause of social change, and it's you only who can change the world.
Today we are observing Nagasaki Day. Today is the 9th of August. And you know that in the year 1945, Nagasaki was absolutely ruined. But today, every year on this day, we are reminded of this day, and it is you children who can make the difference to everybody's life by establishing unity in this world, because peace is the byproduct of world unity.
You all know that what had happened on the 9th of August, and we don't want the history to be repeated again. So we want that you young minds should work together for the cause of peace, and our school has already taken the lead to bring about peace in this world. And as Mr. Gandhi says, that he wants this message to be conveyed to thousands and thousands of people, and he feels that you are the right person to convey this message to everybody in the world. And I know that you children, if you work together, definitely one day the peace can be achieved in this world.
Children